Hello, people of the internet, DedZed here, and today I'm going to be teaching a little kind of fun, interactive kind of thing what I made a while ago. Uh, so this is going to be a clicker, a simple clicker using UI. So as we know before, we can do things via UI as well as normal objects, but today I'm going to just be doing a normal UI. So I'm just going to first create a UI, and I'm just going to have it to be an image. And I'm going to need to set up the canvas, set the world, the whole canvas. No, it didn't. Yeah. I need to create a UI canvas, brand new one. I'm going to set it for world. I'm going to set the position to 0, 0, and then set this to be a 1 and a 1. What gives us a normal pane. And what I'm just going to simply do, I'm going to just rotate it a little bit. So it's minus 90. And I'll bring it down. This is just the whole play area. We're going to add we're just going to write UI in here, and we are going to look for VRC UI Shape. Add that on. And that's majority of it. With this, I am going to make a button. So under UI and button, we are going to get a giant button. I'm not needing the button that big. So I'm going to have this be an actual icon. So I'm going to have it just be very square-ish looking. Which is about that, and I'll remove text. What kind of leaves me with this basic square. With this, I'm going to just bring it down a little bit more. And I'm going to add another thing in here called TextMeshPro. And I'm going to add that into this also. I'm just going to scale it down and make it sure it fits within the box. And we're just going to set this up to the center. And I'm going to just bring it up. There we go. And I'm just going to face this the right way, which is 90. With this, we have like a basic clicker. We have some text. And we have our main thing. So I'm just going to name this clicker. Just something fun. And we're just going to add create another script. In here, just going to create a VRChat Udon Graph. And I'm just going to name this clicker. With this, I'm going to create a node called Interact. Within Interact, it means we can interact with it, and that's what we're going to do with the button. And for this, we're going to have I'm going to set this to be a int, which is a integer. And I'm just going to save this as value. And I'm going to need a TextMeshPro UI. And name that text. The only one I want public is text, and value to stay private. With this, we can drag value in, go here, and we're going to int addition. I'm going to put that there. We're going to drag another one in, and we're going to set variable by holding control. From here, just drag that there, that to there. And this, every time we click it, it goes up 1. So that's the basic of the clicker. Value is set to nothing. But we want to kind of make sure that people can visually see it. So let me go and get this data. And from here, we're going to drag that out. Set text, which is this, which means we should be able to drag this in, but we can't because integers aren't strings, which means we've got to convert value to string. So we're going to just write to string, convert to string. I'm going to put that up there, and I'm going to just drag that there. So in theory, our value, every time we click it, adds 1, displays it. So let's go in and, oh, we didn't even set up the rest of it, and I've done a mistake. We haven't set up all the code. I made the script, but nothing happens. It's not gonna work. Simply, we're gonna go on the clicker, what I've named clicker. And I'm gonna create a Udon Behavior. With this, we want to make sure that's on graph. We're just gonna drag click it into here, which gives us our bit a thing. We got text, all that, but we're not needing to worry about any of that. We want to just add TextMeshPro into there. So we have our text there. So now, when we go into it, it still isn't going to work. I've now realized that again, but I'm going to do it while inside playtest. Turn that off. So right now, it does nothing. There's no data, there's nothing. So I need to hook this up to the button, which is we're going to add a plus, drag clicker into here. Go from here, we're going to focus on the Udon behavior, and we're going to find interact. With this, we have a basic clicker. It will just go up forever. So hopefully that kind of gives people ideas on what they can do with a clicker. Obviously, it's just a basic clicker. You can play sounds like we've done from the previous video, that we can just press it and boom, it plays every time. So hopefully you have learned something new today, and I'll catch everybody again very soon. Bye bye.